how to make money on people per hour as a Pinterest marketing specialist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills. So for those of you who are Pinterest marketing specialists, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So here when you go to the search, if you are a visitor to the platform and you're looking for a Pinterest marketing specialist, so you go to the search for freelancers and you enter the skill that you're looking for or the freelancer that you're looking for. Then you're going to see all of the freelancers that are offering the same skill like the one you're looking for. So here we have Pinterest account setup, create and set up SEO optimized Pinterest pins and boards, provide you with a Pinterest strategy for your business, pin your affiliate links to 20 big Pinterest community boards. So here you can see a lot of freelancers that are doing the same skill that you're looking for or the skill that is related to this skill. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can be amongst those freelancers to make money like them as well. As you can see, this one gets paid $30 per hour. This one gets paid $80 per hour, $30, $50. So I'm going to show you how you can create your profile as well to be amongst those people. So let's get back to the first page, and here click on the freelancer button in your top right and click on I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email, and here you fill your usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and my password as well. And log in. And as you can see, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here you drop your profile picture, drop profile here, then you proceed to enter in your job title, and you have an example here, award-winning web developer, or you can just enter Pinterest marketing specialist. Then you proceed to add in your skills. So here the maximum amount of skills that you have is 15, so make sure to use these spots wisely. So let's start with Pinterest, and here we have Pinterest marketing. Let's start with Pinterest first, then we go for Pinterest again, and here we have Pinterest marketing, Pinterest management, and we have also Pinterest advertisement. Let's see if you have something else. So you have here just Pinterest development. So that's it for the skills. Then you proceed to add in your description. So here you describe yourself to buyers. So in order to make a great description for your profile or a decent description for your profile, the method I like to use personally is going to the search here and searching for the freelancers like me and checking their descriptions, getting ideas from their descriptions and getting inspiration as well, seeing what are they talking about in their description, how are they describing their skill, and all of those things. So let's go with Pinterest marketing specialist, and let's check all offers. Here we can see all of the offers that are related to the thing that we're looking for. So here we have create and manage your Pinterest business account. So let's check this one for example, and he gets paid $130 per hour, 5 sales for now. Let's read the description. So from the get-go, you'll notice that the description is well organized. Every paragraph is separated. I think this is Betrixa or Betrixa Limited is a UK-based company registered with Company House under the Companies Act 2006. Company number, the number of the company. Betrixa has an unmatched 67% repeat clients on PeoplePerHour. This clearly shows how much our clients trust us, having dedicated manpower of 75 plus highly experienced experts and network of more than 250 highly acclaimed professionals in different technologies from around the globe. We promise to give you a better experience and unmatched quality. We are probably the largest technology service provider on PeoplePerHour, so you do not need to run door to door seeking expertise in different technologies. Fair price, timely and quality delivery, and great communication are our unique identifiers. Betrixa is a one-stop destination for all your digital needs. We build trust with our clients by providing 100% money-back guarantee for all our services and hourly gigs. We proudly hold the top seller badge, placing us on the list of top and most authentic service providers on PeoplePerHour. Get in touch now. So this is a very decent description, as you can see, guys, and I advise you to make that your inspiration for creating your description. So let's go back to our profile in order to edit the description. So here click on the edit button, and in this page you'll be able to change everything about your profile, starting with your name and the cover image as well, job title, portfolio, down to your phone number. And when you're done, you click on the save button to save everything. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.